Hey, good morning. We're back with another project. Let's go take a look. So this project was, when we got here, was just one big opening. I know in our last video we talked about enclosing just one wall. So in that case, in that video, they had existing openings for windows. In this case, they had nothing here. So it was just one big opening. So I'll kind of walk you through what we did. So we installed the Craft-Bilt 4-track stacking vinyl film windows in white. First thing we did was install a 2-inch aluminum wall system. As I mentioned, there was nothing when we got here, so there was no framing, so we needed to build our own wall system to accommodate the windows. So we did that. We installed the windows. Actually, in this case, there are multiple options for filling in the space. For example, with this one, they decided to get the solid aluminum panels at the bottom. You could also potentially get a fixed vinyl at the bottom to have a little bit more visibility, or a fixed vinyl at the top as well to kind of match the door over here. So there's a lot of flexibility in the actual design of the product. And then over here, we've got the door with the matching 4-track window embedded in there as well. And we've got that fixed vinyl transom in there to fill in the space. So let's take a look inside. So we're here inside the space. This customer, they put some furniture out here. So obviously the vinyl will protect the furniture against any kind of damage from the sun. And then they also have a TV mount, so they're planning on putting a TV in here. They're really going to be able to enjoy the whole space, hang out here with the family, watch some TV, maybe catch the World Cup game. So the knee wall is pretty unique. It's obviously it's aluminum panel on both the inside and outside, so it'll match in color to the system. One reason to get the knee wall there is, for example, if you have pets and you don't want them to damage the vinyl at the bottom. Or some people, if it rains outside, obviously the bottom panel, or if it's vinyl, will get dirty. So with this kind of knee wall, it's just easy. You don't see it from the inside. But the actual windows, they function the same. So you can open them up all the way. That way you've got 75% airflow. It's got the screen built into it. You can do the same thing all the way down. The cool thing, you don't have to reach up to the top to grab the panels. They're all interlocked. So you can grab the lower ones and bring them down, and then pull them back up. You can just pull the top one and they all come up. And then to actually take a panel out, this is one thing that's really cool about our system. There are other products that have these little plastic clips, and you have to push in knobs to take them out. And to put them back, you gotta turn the panel sideways, push in the plastic clips. With our system, it's super simple. You just push it into the deep channel. It's got this heavy duty attachment metal pieces. The deep track is on one side. And then to pop it back in, all you have to do is just line it up with the track, give it a quick push, and it slots right back in. So obviously right now it's summer, it's pretty humid. A lot of people ask me, will the vinyl be damaged from the heat? And no, this is a marine grade vinyl, so it's different than cheap vinyl you'd see. Often with cheap vinyl, it will cloud, it will yellow. You'll even sometimes smell like a plasticky smell coming from it, not with a marine grade vinyl. And in order to maintain it or clean it, all you do is use water and a microfiber towel. You can even spray some dish soap on there as well. Just make sure not to use any harsh chemicals like Windex or alcohol, because that will damage the vinyl. So if you've got an opening that's similar, or even if you have some ideas about what you want to do but aren't sure, give us a call. I'll come out myself and talk with you, and we can figure out the best plan of action.